We are going to see mixed strategy game 2 by 2 algebraic method. So for this particular method, I'm doing the formula method. This is a formula method to solve a 2 by 2 algebraic method. Okay, so here you have a P of matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 means first row, first column, A11. A12 means first row, second column. So 1, 2. A21 is second row, first column. So A21. And this one is A22, that is second row, second column. So here we are going to find out the probability value P1, P2 for player, this side's player A for example, and Q1, Q2 for player B. So this is what we are going to find out. So using the formula, we are having a very simple formula for this. This is A22 minus A21 whole divided by A11 minus A12 plus A22 minus A21. Okay, so this is the formula for P1. So I am going to now simultaneously use a problem and find the value of P1 here right next to it. Okay, so I am using a very direct problem. 3 minus 2, so you have like 2, 4. Okay, so this is the problem. Let me check if the question is a pure strategy game. This is minimum is minus 2, minimum is 2, 2 is the maximum here. Here you have 3 and 4, and 3 will be the maximum. So 3 and 2, they don't match. If you want this to be done, I will check it in the rough column for you. I have 3 minus 2, 2, 4. I am checking it here. Minimum is row minimum. Minus 2, 2. Out of 2 minimums, this is the maximum. So my maximin value. And here column maxima, I have 3 and 4. Out of these two, minimum is this one, and this is my minimax. They are not equal. Okay, so therefore this is not a pure strategy game. Okay, fine. Now I've checked it up. You should check every problem that you get in a game. You have to check for pure strategy game. Otherwise you may mistake and you may try to solve it for a mixed strategy when it may be a pure strategy game. So be very careful. So for this I'm going to find P1. The formula is here A22. A22 is 4 here minus A21 is 2 divided by, hold on, I'll put some weight here, divided by A11, that is 3 bracket, minus A12 is this, so minus 2, plus A22 is 4 minus 2. So the value will be 2 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 2. This is, you subtracted, you get 2. So here you have, this is equal to 2 by 7. So P1 is 2 by 7. So this is the first step. Okay, so I've used the formula P1 and I've got the answer. Now second step is to find P2. 1 minus P1. So I'm going to use that. P2 equal to 1 minus 2 by 7, which is equal to 7 minus 2 by 7. So that is equal to 5 by 7. How did I get this 7? 7 into 1 is 7. So 7 minus 2. So this is my P2. Now I have to find Q1 and Q2. So I have a formula for Q1. The formula is A22 minus, if you remember one formula it is enough. So here you have two ones, so this becomes 1 2. A11, here it was 1 2, so this becomes 2 1 plus A22 minus, here it is 2 1, this becomes 1 2. That's it. So this is the formula for Q1. So I have to find Q1, which is equal to A22 is 4 minus A12 is minus 2 divided by A11 is 3 minus A21 is 2 plus 4 minus minus 2. So this becomes 4 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 4 plus 2. So this is 6 by 7. Okay. So this is Q1. Similarly, Q2 equal to 1 minus Q1. So I have Q2 equal to 1 minus 6 by 7, 7 minus 6 by 7, which is equal to 1 by 7. So till now I have done my problem. These are my formulas and I have got my values. Now I have to find the value of the game. For the value of the game, the formula is A11 A22 minus A12 A21 divided by any one of these denominators. You can use this or this. So like let me take the first one's denominator, A11 minus A12 plus A22 minus A21. So this is my value of the game formula. So I am going to substitute the value here. A11 is 3 into 4 minus 2 into 2 divided by, if I take, okay, I am going to just directly substitute and find out. So 3 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2. So this becomes 12 plus 4 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 2. So this is V equals 12 plus 4 is 16 divided by 7. So I have got the problem. Now to write the result, you have to write, I am going to write it here. Kindly don't write like this in exam. Okay, I want to keep it in the single page, so I am writing it for your sake. So SA equals P1, P2, SB equals Q1, Q2 and V. V is 16 by 7. Right. So here you have 2 by 7, 5 by 7, then you have 6 by 7, 1 by 7. So this is my result, my optimal strategy value of the game. So this is my result. Without this, your problem is incomplete. Nobody is going to search for your answer. You have to write it in a particular format. So this is your answer. Check it out. Okay. So any doubts, please. I'll take a photo and post it also, and I'll send the video also.